Now, this is our explanation. We are saying the positive glow shrinks to form striations. The negative glow moves away from the cathode. We already know that. And Crookes dark space does what? Appears. All right. And when our Crookes dark space appears, automatically the cathode glow, we said, appears also round the what? The cathode. This one here gave us the half mark. To make so far 4 marks out of 5. The last one, we don't usually draw the diagram. We make mention because we no longer have, all right? So further reduction of pressure to approximately 0.01 millimeters Hg would imply that the striations, the negative glow and cathode glow all do what? Disappear. That is half a mark. And Crookes dark space does what? Fills up the tube. And then we say a stream of visible particles is emitted from the cathode. The tube fluoresces. Remember, the fluorescence of the tube is due to the emission or production of cathode rays. Which cathode rays cause fluorescence? Have you understood that, my dear students? This is how we answer such a question, and we're able to score the 5 required marks. All right? You can pick your red pen with you and indicate those marks. Indicate those marks. All right? This is how we're going to be doing our physics. So you must be able to, 1, understand, 2, apply the knowledge you've been dealing with to handle questions, most especially at UNEB. All right? This is Kanyike Francis, your teacher, with e-learning teachers project Uganda. Don't forget, we have all this quality work on DVD. You please can call or on the numbers right on your screen, or that will be placed on your screen, so that you'll be assisted. All right? Right from P1 to Senior 6, name your subject, name the topic, you will be handled, you'll be assisted. All right? Now, we want to now go to the limitations. The limitations of a discharge tube, and also talk about the characteristic of a discharge tube. Then we'll talk about the application. 3 things. 1, we're going to talk about limitations, the limitations. All right? Now, after that, we talk about the characteristic and the feature. We said in physics, when we talk about a characteristic, we are talking about the graph. All right? And then after that, we'll also talk about the application. All right? Or applications. And then we'll formulate a question out of those ones, and then move on to the properties of cathode rays. Are you getting the flow? That is how we're going to flow. From now here, we're moving the limiter to the limitations, and then characteristics, and then applications. Very good. Let's move on and see how best we can handle this.